Intelligent Document Processing, or IDP for short, is a crucial tool in traditional and more recently agentic workflows where there are lots of diverse content types, both structured and unstructured. I'll talk about the recent AI evolution of IDP and we'll explore why it's so important for businesses. IDP tools are firmly established within many businesses. Traditionally, IDP has been focused on extracting data from and processing structured documents, but in the last couple of years, IDP has really evolved. This new generation of IDP tools uses the latest generative AI models to turn even the most complex, unstructured content into clean and structured data. And this is so important because a lot of the work in the enterprise is based on complicated, unstructured documents. Think of complex legal contracts, lease agreements, emails with attachments, and other types of communications. In fact, McKinsey even estimates that 90% of all business data is unstructured. Unstructured documents are typically very long, their structures are varied, and they can have things like nested tables, charts, images, and very long page counts in the hundreds or even thousands. Being able to turn all of this unstructured content into structured data and then passing that data to an AI agent will be incredibly valuable for enterprises and allow them to automate vastly more processes. Intelligent document processing empowers organizations to do this. IDP isn't just about being able to extract data from document fields and complex elements like graphs and tables. It's also about understanding how they relate to each other and the document as a whole. That's why traditional AI models trained to extract data from a specific schema or output won't always work. This is why IDP today uses state-of-the-art generative AI models. These are better at more interpretive tasks where the input isn't always fixed. However, IDP solutions still need to give you a way to control the resulting output so you can use it consistently for your business. UiPath has provided AI-enabled document processing and communications mining for years, but our approach has developed to now incorporate advanced generative AI. We call our new IDP capability UiPath IXP, where the X not only represents the idea of extraction, but also a growing number of diverse content types, including complex and unstructured documents. UiPath IXP is built for fast time to value and a seamless user experience to take the pain out of processing complex documents of all types. There's a number of features that make IXP more advanced than our previous IDP solutions and which help us to stand out in the market. First is our inference-first training process. No training is required to accurately extract useful data from complex, unstructured documents right out of the box. Instead, you just provide instructions, just like a prompt, to the model on what you want to extract and how it appears in the document. We still give you the ability to annotate if you want to further refine the model or give it some ground truth for evaluation. Next is all the work we do in post-processing to provide a structured data output. We give you strong controls over the schema of these generative models. We allow you to create your own field groups specifying the exact information that you want to extract, and there's a huge variety of data types that IXP can extract from and output things in a consistent format. Things like dates, monetary quantities, and even multiple choice responses. We streamline a lot of the work in post-processing, and the output is the exact format you need to take the resulting structured data, use it in automations, and share it with agents to create value. We also know that, as with any AI solution, you need precise controls to ensure the accuracy of prediction outputs. UiPath IXP makes validation easy through our new validation experience. Our models give confidence scores for every prediction so you can manually review them when the model isn't entirely sure. Our models also provide attribution, giving sources and references for all their predictions. As anyone who's asked an LLM to cite its sources will know, that's something they typically struggle with, but it's a built-in feature of UiPath IXP models.